ever feel like you're behind in life? Well, get ready to feel really behind. Today, talking about a kid who makes the rest of us look like we moving in slow motion. His name is Laurent Simons, and at just 15 years old, he's already earned a PhD in quantum physics. Yes! You heard that right! While most teenagers are trying to pass their driving test, Laurent was defending a doctoral thesis that most of us can't even pronounce. The topic: Bose polarons in superfluids and supersolids. I'll give you a moment to Google that. Essentially, it's about how particles behave in an ultra-cold gas acting as a single quantum object. Think of it as a tiny, controlled laboratory for exploring some of the most complex physics in the universe, like supersolids, which are bizarre materials that are both a crystal and a fluid at the same time. Laurent's journey to becoming one of the youngest PhD holders in history is nothing short of astounding. Born in Belgium and now living in the Netherlands, he was tagged as a prodigy almost from birth. How fast was he? He finished high school in about a year. He was only 8 years old. Let that sink in. At an age when most of us were learning multiplication tables, he was done with high school. By 2019, he was on track to become the youngest university graduate ever before he even turned 10. He was studying electrical engineering at a top Dutch university, but a small hiccup over his graduation schedule led him to switch paths. Did he slow down? Not a chance. He enrolled in a physics program at the University of Antwerp and polished off a 3-year bachelor's degree in just 80 months, graduating with distinction, while his peers were navigating the drama of middle school. 12-year-old Laurent was already tackling his master's degree in quantum physics, a typical 2-year program. He finished all the coursework in 1 semester. He spent the second semester working on his thesis and doing an internship at the world-renowned Max Planck Institute in Germany. This is where things get even more interesting. His master's research looked at the connections between certain quantum states and black holes, studying something called Bose-Einstein condensates at temperatures colder than deep space. It was during this time at the Max Planck Institute that he started to see a bridge between the abstract world of quantum physics and the very tangible field of medicine. This connection would soon define his life's mission. After earning his master's degree, most people would take a well-deserved break, but Laurent felt like he was just getting started. He told a TV station, "After this, I'll start working towards my goal, creating superhumans." And he wasn't joking. His ultimate ambition, something he's been vocal about since he was 11, is to unlock the secrets of human immortality. Now, with his PhD in quantum physics officially in the bag, you might think he'd finally take a vacation. Nope. The ink was barely dry on his doctorate when he and his father were on a plane back to Munich. Why? Because he's already enrolled in his second doctoral program. This time, he's diving into medical science with a special focus on artificial intelligence. It seems his plan to achieve immortality isn't just a childhood dream. It's a meticulously planned academic journey. He's combining his unparalleled understanding of quantum mechanics with cutting-edge medical research in AI. He believes these fields hold the key to replacing body parts with artificial ones, effectively stopping the aging process. What kind of mind does it take to even conceive of such a goal, let alone pursue it at this age? Laurent has a reported IQ of 145, placing him in the highly gifted category. But it's not just about raw intelligence, it's his relentless drive and insatiable curiosity. He sees the world as a series of complex problems, and he's equipping himself with the most powerful intellectual tools to solve them. His focus is on creating a future where biology is no longer a limitation. By building artificial organs, he aims to make the human body a modular, repairable system. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster, but for Laurent, it's a tangible research project. He's not just thinking about it, he's actively studying and working towards it. The question of immortality has fascinated humanity for millennia, explored in myths, legends, and religion, but Laurent is approaching it not as a philosopher, but as an engineer and a scientist. His approach is practical. If a part of the body fails, why not just replace it? His work in quantum physics gives him a fundamental understanding of how matter and energy work, while his new studies in medicine and AI will give him the tools to apply that knowledge to the human body. It's an incredibly ambitious goal. And of course, it raises a lot of ethical questions. What would a world with immortal humans look like? Who would get to live forever? These are huge questions that society will have to grapple with. But for now, Laurent is focused on the science. He's a young man on a mission to fundamentally change what it means to be human. Think about the implications. If he succeeds, even partially, it could revolutionize medicine as we know it. The ability to create perfect functioning replacement organs could end transplant waiting lists and cure countless diseases. It's a goal that could benefit all of humanity. Laurent's story is a powerful reminder that age is just a number and that passion and intellect can break through any barrier. He's not just a prodigy who is good at tests. He's a visionary with a clear, audacious goal. He sees a problem mortality and is systematically building the knowledge base to solve it. From finishing high school at 8 to earning a PhD at 15. And now embarking on a second doctorate to achieve immortality, Laurent Simons is redefining what's possible. It's a bit intimidating, but it's also incredibly inspiring. He's a testament to the limitless potential of the human mind. We'll be watching his career with great interest because the future he is trying to build might just be the future we all live in one day. What do you guys think about his goal? Is human immortality a scientific frontier we should be exploring? Or are there some lines we shouldn't cross? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time!